today, let's see, what are we doing today? What are we doing today? Yo, what's up, everybody? This is MC. I'm here with another MTG trading card art project we can make. And today we're going to make some blank foils from some scrap cards that you might have laying around. Kind of like this. Maybe some stuff that's just been sitting in your bulk bins. Don't really has too much value or anything. Yeah, we're going to change that into a whole bunch of blank foils that you can use for a whole bunch of applications. Mainly being dry erase tokens. Pretty much get yourself a dry erase marker, and then I don't know if you need to draw something up. Kind of like this. You can pretty much use them for any games, make as many as you want, and they're pretty much like what, pennies on the dollar compared to all the other competitors out there right now. Yeah, look, they're foil. I think that's pretty cool. Or you can use them for a couple other things too, like maybe you want to make your own custom cards with some foiling on them. There's a couple techniques on that I could do a couple of videos on in the future, but for now we're just going to focus on how to take off all the ink of a card and make your own little blank foils for whatever you want to use them for. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, first thing we're going to need is acetone, 100%. Nail polish remover doesn't really work that well, so I would get acetone. Then we're going to need some painter's tape. This stuff is very essential. I don't see a lot of people using it, but it actually keeps the cards very clean. Then we're going to need cotton swabs and cotton pads just to remove the ink with. And also a roller, scrap paper, keep everything nice and clean. Then I would get as many holofoils as you can. Make sure just stuff you don't mind, messing up. And then a dry erase marker. And that's pretty much it. Also we're gonna need like a eyeglass cleaning cloth. I don't really put in this list, but I do use it later in the video. And then you are gonna need a couple different sets, mostly because some of the holo removes better than others, and some actually gets really messed up, as you'll see. Okay, so that was pretty much how we make these blank foils. Pretty easy, right? Like, you don't really need too much. Only takes you probably I don't know, a couple minutes per card. And if you want to sit there and do a couple of them, knock them out, that'd be pretty easy to do, I think. And way cheaper on the wallet instead of buying a whole bunch of those dry erase markers. Sorry, a whole bunch of those dry erase tokens. But anyways, yeah, thanks for watching this episode today. Be sure to like and subscribe. And this is brought to you by Slapumania. Alright, peace.